Welcome. In this session, we are going to understand how to make use of R programming language to create vectors and create a plot on the vectors. Let's get started. We are going to execute R, and within the R graphical user interface or the command line interface, we can execute R programs. At the moment, first of all, I would like to create a vector known as X, and this vector will be executed or created using a function known as C, which means to combine values. And I would like to combine a few values somewhat like, let's say I would like to create a plot for ice cream sales in my area. Let's say as soon as the temperature increases, the sale of the ice cream will be recorded and will be stored into vectors. So let's say when the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius, or the temperature was 20 degrees Celsius, or it was 30 degrees Celsius, we have the temperatures value stored in X, and within Y we like to store values for the ice cream sales. Let's say when the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius, only 2 ice creams were sold. When it was 20 degrees Celsius, around 10 ice creams were sold. And when it was 30 degrees Celsius, then at that time more than 300 ice creams were sold. So now what we have is, we have two vectors. One is X, which keep track of temperature. We have Y vector, which keep track of ice cream sale. Now we like to put a plot and we want to create it. To create a plot, first of all, we like to generate a PNG file, and this file we are going to create within the current directory, and name of the file will be known as ice cream. Let's call it as ice cream.png. And once this ice cream.png will be created, we are going to create this PNG file using our function known as plot. Now once we are going to plot, we are going to put the values for the plot, and before that I would like to show you, you can make use of help for plot function using question mark plot, and it will help you what all values you can take. So let's say once we execute plot help, you can see that we are going to provide two arguments X and Y, and on the X axis we will have temperatures, and on the Y axis we are going to have ice cream sales. Let's use Q to quit, and we are here. So at the moment we like to generate the plot, and this plot is going to take these two vectors X and Y. And once the plot has been generated, now we have to turn off the device which is known as a graphical device, which helps you create plot into a PNG file. And we can do that using the function dev.off, and we can execute that. Once the graphical device has been completed, now you will be able to access your graph plotted at ice cream.png file. To do that, I would like to quit my RStudio using Q function. I would like to save my workspace. I would like to execute list command now. Once we execute list, you can see that we have got a PNG known as ice cream image. What we can do is, we can simply copy this ice cream image to my variable www.html directory, and now what we can do is, we can copy that using sudo command. Once the copy has been done, you have already know that we have set a domain name for this. So the domain name which we have set is miningtoolindia.sh, and here we are going to access ice cream.png file. Once we execute that, you can see that we have got the plot ready. We have got the plot on X and Y axis, that when we have 10 degree temperature, we have around 2 sales has been done. When the temperature was 20 degrees Celsius, we have around some 10 sales, and when the temperature has increased, you can see that around 300 ice creams have been sold. So this is the graphical plot which we can easily generate using R programming. Thank you for watching.